Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2016 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a night black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A beige MB Tex interior, pano sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera. This one does come with the multimedia package, which is going to give you navigation with command. Also, we've got our garage door openers, a burl walnut wood trim, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 30,142 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.